So let's go find the source of the Nile. Actually really good. I gotta go left or do I gotta go right? That does not look promising. One day I come when I need some bricks. Call this officially a 2 o'clock lunch break. And I'm going to eat a hard-boiled egg that was boiled with Lake Victoria water, so it's gotta be safe. In this case, we both walk. And from here all the way to Jinja, it's paved. Oh, wow. It's basically an obelisk.
There you go.
Half a kilometer and you already have a flat. Who's the winner?
What's your name? Lorena's.